Hey up everyone, welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor Channel. I'm Vaz. Do you know what time it is? It's time to start talking eVTOLs. Over the weekend, I realized that I happily missed the first quarter 2025 earnings report of New Horizon Aircraft. And since I think it's a fairly interesting startup and a concept, I think we should give it some attention. So for today's video, I'll give you a quick overview of the company. We will talk about their first customers. Then I will give you quickly some numbers of the actual earnings report. We will have a look at Favorite X7, their aircraft, and then I will commit to give you some business updates. But before we do so, you know the drill. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, you are more than welcome. And if you want to keep up to date with all the insights and news and media, follow me on my X account. The handle is at EVTOLHUB, and I'll be dedicating some time to New Horizon Aircraft as well, including price target analysis. So if you don't want to miss this, you're more than welcome. Now, let's get on with the video, shall we? New Horizon Aircraft, trading on Nasdaq under ticker symbol HOVR. Started as a strategic merger, also SPAC, in January 2024 between Robinson Aircraft Ltd and Pono 3 Merger Acquisition Corporation. The company is based in Lindsay, Canada, and it's a micro-cap business. Their current market capitalization is about $16 million, and as of end of April, their share price is traded at around 50 cents. The original Robinson Aircraft Ltd was founded in 2013, and they have been working on and developing 7-seat hybrid aircraft. They promise outstanding performance compared to their market peers. The intention of use is for passenger transport, emergency services, and eventually military as well. And the recent update is, as of early 2025, we secured $11.1 million through warrant exercises and strategic investments. We have first customers. We have letter of intent with Jet Set Go, which is Indian regional transport company, who will be ordering 50 aircraft with an option to increase up to 100. If we go with all 100, that could give us up to $500 million. And the recently announced letter of intent with Discovery Air Chile, subject of which is a lease of 5 Favorite X7 aircraft. Intended deliveries are 2028, and the purpose of the vehicles will be passenger transport, emergency services, and wildlife control. If you look at Chile and their landscape, it's fairly mountainous, is that the word? It's full of mountains, and a lot of places are accessible only with via helicopter. This could be much cheaper and more viable alternative. For the actual numbers of the earnings call, net income $11.81 million compared to the previous period $6.46 million. First quarter of 2024. All of this is through investments and warrant exercises. We are not generating any revenue yet. Operational loss as well as operating expenses $9.53 million compared to the previous first quarter 2.46. This is just natural because the company is upscaling. They have been developing a new prototype, and it's just the way the company is growing. Earnings per share negative 0.49 compared to previous first quarter 0.8. And we have learned that we have enough cash to keep us operational for another 12 months. What is beyond that is currently unclear. And we got some light shedded on the commercialization target by 2028. Cavorite 7, the actual vehicle. New Horizon Aircraft have designed a vehicle which has got the fans for the takeoff and landing phase, which is vertical, hidden within the wing. So the cavity opens for the vertical phase and then it closes for the horizontal. Once we transition into the horizontal flight, it closes and the vehicle is moving as a traditional fixed wing aircraft. But we will be talking about the vehicle in my next video. The video will be coming out in next few days. Keep looking out. I think it's a very interesting concept. And then I will be looking out to give you some business updates because New Horizon are taking part in Planet Microcap Showcase Vegas 2025 and Trickle Research Microcap Conference Spring 2025 in Denver. One has already happened. The next one is happening on the 28th of April. I'll be looking out if I can find some updates and keep you posted. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you found some interesting news. I think New Horizon is a very interesting startup. I'll be covering it to a certain extent because nobody else covers New Horizon. So you will see some more videos. If you have any more questions, feel free to drop your questions in the comments or talk to me on my X or bump into me on the street, whichever, or give me a call. That's it. Here you can see my playlist. Here is a video recommended by Martyn or YouTube. Take care of yourselves and each other.